Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of creatine and its effects on your body and energy. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or just curious about supplements, understanding creatine can help you make informed choices about your health and performance. In this video, we'll explore what creatine is, how it works in your body, and the science behind its energy-boosting properties. We'll also look at its benefits, potential side effects, and how to use it effectively. Let's get started by first understanding what creatine actually is and why it's so popular in the fitness world. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in your muscles and brain. It's made from amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. Most of the creatine in your body is stored in your muscles, where it plays a crucial role in producing energy during high-intensity activities. You can get creatine from foods like red meat and fish, but many people also take it as a supplement to boost their athletic performance. So, why is creatine so important for energy? Let's break down how it actually works inside your body. Inside your muscles, creatine helps produce a molecule called ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. ATP is often called the energy currency of the cell because it provides the quick bursts of energy needed for activities like sprinting or lifting weights. When you use up ATP, your body needs to regenerate it quickly. That's where creatine comes in. It donates a phosphate group to help rebuild ATP, allowing you to keep going at high intensity for longer. This process is especially important during short, explosive movements. You might be wondering where creatine comes from. Your body can make creatine naturally in the liver, kidneys, and pancreas using amino acids like arginine, glycine, and methionine. However, you also get creatine from your diet, especially from animal-based foods such as beef, pork, and fish. For those who want an extra boost, creatine supplements are widely available and commonly used by athletes and gym goers. Let's look at why people choose to supplement with creatine and what benefits it can offer. While your body and diet provide some creatine, supplementing can significantly increase the amount stored in your muscles. This is especially helpful for athletes or anyone engaging in regular, intense physical activity. Supplementing with creatine can help you train harder, recover faster, and see better results from your workouts. It's one of the most researched and effective supplements for improving strength, power, and muscle mass. Next, let's explore the specific benefits you can expect from creatine supplementation. One of the most well-known effects of creatine is its ability to increase muscle strength. Studies have shown that people who supplement with creatine can lift heavier weights and perform more repetitions compared to those who don't. This is because creatine helps your muscles produce more ATP, giving you the energy needed for those tough sets. Over time, this can lead to greater muscle gains and improved overall performance in the gym. Creatine doesn't just help with strength, it also boosts your power output. Power is your ability to exert force quickly, which is essential for activities like sprinting, jumping, or explosive sports movements. By increasing your muscles' creatine stores, you can perform these high-intensity movements with more force and speed. This makes creatine a favorite among athletes who need to be fast and powerful in their sport. Creatine is also known for its role in supporting muscle growth. When you supplement with creatine, your muscles retain more water, making them look fuller and larger. But it's not just about appearance. Creatine also increases the rate of muscle protein synthesis, which is the process your body uses to build new muscle tissue. Over time, this can lead to noticeable gains in muscle size and strength, especially when combined with resistance training. Another benefit of creatine is its ability to speed up recovery after intense exercise. Creatine helps reduce muscle cell damage and inflammation, which means you can bounce back faster between workouts. This is especially helpful for athletes who train multiple times a week or compete in back-to-back events. By supporting quicker recovery, creatine allows you to train harder and more frequently, leading to better long-term results. Creatine isn't just for your muscles, it also plays a role in brain health. Your brain uses ATP for energy, just like your muscles do. Some research suggests that creatine supplementation can improve cognitive function, especially during mentally demanding tasks or periods of sleep deprivation. While more studies are needed, early evidence points to potential benefits for memory, focus, and mental fatigue. While creatine is best known for boosting strength and power, it can also have some benefits for endurance athletes. By increasing your muscles' energy reserves, creatine may help you sustain high-intensity efforts for longer periods. However, its effects on endurance are generally less pronounced than on strength or power. Still, some athletes find that creatine helps them push through tough training sessions or finish strong in competitions. One thing to note about creatine is its effect on hydration. When you supplement with creatine, your muscles draw in more water, which can lead to a slight increase in body weight. This is perfectly normal and actually helps your muscles function better. However, it's important to stay well hydrated when using creatine, especially during intense exercise or hot weather, to avoid dehydration. Many people start creatine supplementation with a loading phase. This involves taking a higher dose, usually around 20 grams per day, for 5 to 7 days. The goal is to quickly saturate your muscles with creatine. After the loading phase, you switch to a maintenance dose of about 3 to 5 grams per day. While loading isn't strictly necessary, it can help you experience the benefits of creatine more quickly. After the loading phase, you move to the maintenance phase, where you take a lower dose of creatine each day, typically 3 to 5 grams. This amount is enough to keep your muscles saturated and maintain the benefits you've gained. Consistency is key, so try to take your creatine at the same time each day, whether it's before or after your workout. When should you take creatine? Research suggests that the timing isn't as important as consistency. Some people prefer to take it before their workout for a mental boost, while others take it after to aid recovery. The most important thing is to take it daily, so choose a time that fits your routine and helps you remember. There are several types of creatine supplements available, but the most common and well-researched is creatine monohydrate. Other forms include creatine, ethyl ester, creatine hydrochloride, and buffered creatine. However, studies consistently show that creatine monohydrate is just as effective, more affordable, and widely available. If you're new to creatine, monohydrate is usually the best choice. Creatine is one of the most studied supplements and is generally considered safe for healthy adults when used as directed. Most people tolerate it well, but some may experience mild side effects like stomach discomfort or bloating, especially during the loading phase. Drinking plenty of water and sticking to recommended doses can help minimize these effects. While creatine is safe for most people, some may experience side effects such as bloating, stomach cramps, or mild digestive issues. These are usually temporary and can often be avoided by splitting your dose throughout the day or taking creatine with food. If you have kidney issues or other health concerns, it's always best to consult your doctor before starting any supplement. There are many myths about creatine, such as it causing kidney damage or dehydration. However, research shows that creatine is safe for healthy individuals when used properly. It does not cause kidney problems in people with normal kidney function, and it doesn't lead to dehydration if you drink enough water. Always rely on scientific evidence rather than rumors. Creatine is most beneficial for people who engage in high-intensity, short-duration activities like weightlifting, sprinting, or team sports. It's also useful for older adults looking to maintain muscle mass and strength. However, if you have certain medical conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your healthcare provider before using creatine. While creatine is safe for most, some people should avoid it. If you have kidney disease, liver problems, or are at risk for these conditions, creatine may not be suitable. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also avoid creatine unless advised by a doctor. Always check with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Vegetarians and vegans often have lower creatine stores because plant-based diets contain little to no creatine. Supplementing with creatine can help bridge this gap, leading to improved strength, energy, and cognitive function. If you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, creatine supplementation may offer even greater benefits compared to those who eat meat. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass and strength, a process known as sarcopenia. Creatine supplementation can help slow this decline by supporting muscle maintenance and function. Older adults who take creatine often experience improved mobility, greater muscle strength, and a better quality of life. It's a simple way to support healthy aging. Creatine is just as effective for women as it is for men. Women can benefit from increased strength, improved muscle tone, and enhanced exercise performance. There's no evidence that creatine causes unwanted side effects like excessive muscle bulk in women. In fact, it can be a valuable tool for women looking to improve their fitness and overall health. Teenagers who are involved in competitive sports may consider creatine, but it's important to approach supplementation carefully. While research suggests creatine is safe for healthy teens, it's best to consult a healthcare professional before starting. Proper diet, training, and rest should always be the foundation of any young athlete's routine. Because creatine increases water retention in your muscles, it's important to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day. Staying hydrated helps your body process creatine efficiently and reduces the risk of cramps or dehydration. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, and increase your intake if you're exercising intensely or in hot weather. Creatine works best when combined with a balanced diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Eating a meal or snack with carbs and protein around the time you take creatine can help your muscles absorb it more effectively. Remember, supplements should complement, not replace a healthy diet. To get the most out of creatine, pair it with regular exercise, especially resistance training like weightlifting. Creatine enhances your ability to perform high-intensity workouts, which leads to greater muscle and strength gains over time. Consistency in both supplementation and training is key to seeing results. Some people notice a slight increase in body weight when they start taking creatine. This is mainly due to increased water retention in the muscles, not fat gain. The extra water helps your muscles function better and look fuller. If you're concerned about weight gain, remember that it's a normal and temporary effect. Some people choose to cycle creatine, meaning they take it for a few months, then take a break before starting again. While there's no strong evidence that cycling is necessary, it can be a personal preference. The key is to listen to your body and adjust your supplementation routine as needed. Creatine can be safely combined with other supplements like protein powder, branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, or pre-workout formulas. There are no known negative interactions, but always check labels and consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure. Combining supplements can help you maximize your training and recovery. There's some debate about whether caffeine interferes with creatine's effects. Most research shows that moderate caffeine intake doesn't significantly impact creatine's benefits. If you enjoy coffee or pre-workout drinks, you can still use creatine effectively. Just pay attention to how your body responds and adjust if needed. Some people worry that creatine might affect sleep, but there's little evidence to support this. In fact, creatine may help reduce mental fatigue and improve alertness, especially during periods of sleep deprivation. If you notice any changes in your sleep patterns, try adjusting the timing of your creatine dose. Creatine may also play a role in injury recovery. Some studies suggest that it can help preserve muscle mass and strength during periods of immobilization or reduced activity, such as after an injury. This can make the rehabilitation process smoother and help you return to full activity more quickly. Emerging research suggests that creatine may have benefits for heart health. It can help improve energy production in heart cells and may support overall cardiovascular function. While more studies are needed, these findings are promising for those looking to support their heart as well as their muscles. Some studies suggest that creatine may help improve glucose tolerance and insulin sensitivity, which are important for managing diabetes. However, if you have diabetes or other metabolic conditions, it's important to consult your doctor before starting creatine supplementation. Creatine may also play a role in supporting bone health. By improving muscle strength and mass, creatine helps reduce the risk of falls and fractures, especially in older adults. Some research even suggests that creatine may directly support bone density, making it a valuable supplement for long-term health. While creatine is not an immune booster, maintaining muscle mass and overall health can indirectly support your immune system. Regular exercise, good nutrition, and proper supplementation all play a role in keeping your body strong and resilient against illness. Physical and mental stress can deplete your body's energy reserves. Creatine helps replenish ATP, supporting both physical performance and mental resilience. While it's not a cure for stress, creatine can help you feel more energized and capable of handling life's challenges. Some research suggests that creatine may have a positive effect on mood, especially in people with depression or mood disorders. By supporting brain energy metabolism, creatine could help improve emotional well-being. However, more research is needed before making any firm recommendations. Although creatine is not a direct immune booster, its role in supporting muscle mass and overall health can contribute to a stronger immune system. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and proper supplementation all work together to keep your body resilient. Creatine isn't just for athletes. Anyone looking to improve their energy, strength, or mental performance can benefit from creatine supplementation. Whether you're chasing fitness goals, staying active as you age, or simply want more energy for daily tasks, creatine can be a helpful addition to your routine. To sum up, creatine is a powerful supplement that supports muscle strength, power, growth, and recovery. It also offers potential benefits for brain function, heart health, and healthy aging. Safe for most people, creatine is one of the most effective and well-researched supplements available. Remember to use it responsibly and consult your doctor if you have any health concerns. Creatine is a safe, effective, and affordable way to enhance your physical and mental performance. It works by increasing your muscles' energy stores, supporting high-intensity exercise, and aiding recovery. Whether you're an athlete or just want more energy for daily life, creatine can help you reach your goals. Always pair supplementation with a healthy lifestyle for the best results. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into creatine and its effects on your body and energy. Whether you decide to use creatine or not, understanding how it works can help you make better choices for your health and fitness journey. Stay informed, stay active, and remember that small changes can lead to big results over time. See you in the next video.